Is ChatGPT-5 worth the hype? Have you really seen what it can do? Can it really code better? Can it act more like an agent? Can it do real world tasks? So today I'm not just going to be repeating the hype, I'm going to actually test it brutally with real world prompts. You'll see results with your own eyes, and at the end it will tell you if ChatGPT-5 is really worth the switch or it's just another small update dressed like a revolution. So first off, let's forget the marketing fluff for a second. This is not one of those OMG, it's insane videos. We are going to walk through what's actually new in this version. How is it different from GPT-4 and GPT-4o? I mean real examples and not just theories. So here's what they actually claim is different in ChatGPT-5. The first is the better personalization. They claim it learns from your chats. If you are a designer, you're a developer, you're a writer, or you just use it for your daily task. So they claim that it picks up on how you code, how you talk, how you respond, your tone, and also builds on that. So this simply means that it studies you, it remembers your name, your style, and your structure of request. The second thing is that it has faster response time. So they claim that it now responds quicker with code and with other prompts. Also, they claim there is cleaner code output or cleaner responses. There is no indentation or the M dash you used to see. Another thing they talked about is it is more agentic, that it is built to take action and not just assist you. But yes, talk is cheap. Let's get into it to test it. Let's ask it to build an interactive funnel using HTML, Canvas, and plain JavaScript. Each stage should be a labeled block that gets smaller as it goes down. And over show a tooltip with a percentage drop from the previous stage. Okay. Oh, okay. It delivered a complete working funnel, right? No third-party libraries, pure vanilla JavaScript. And it labeled every single stage. Okay, well, this is nice. But is it perfect? Yes, the code was more organized, faster and cleaner actually. I think this is an improvement compared to the previous versions. So they said ChatGPT-5 is more agentic and basically can act on your own behalf. So let's tell the AI to book an hotel. For me, yes, I don't stay in Chicago. I stay in Nigeria. But let it book an hotel in Chicago. Let's see. Wow. And to my surprise, it went online, browsed different booking sites, filtered out hotels I would not like, suggested a list. I almost booked it right before confirming. It paused and asked if I wanted to continue. No, I don't want to continue. Yes, now that felt like an assistant. This feature though is only available to the pro users. If you're on a free plan, you will not get to see it. So next, I pushed it with another dev-heavy task. Let's create a 3D wireframe cube using HTML Canvas. It should rotate on every mouse movement, include color filters, and save pro shading. Okay, I didn't expect much, honestly. But let's see. The result, a beautiful interactive 3D cube right in the browser. No imports, no React, just HTML, Canvas, and pure JavaScript. I think this is where GPT-5 flexes. It's faster and it's more autonomous. There's a complete response at a go. I think this is cool. This is nice. Okay, so now if you're a developer, this is where you need to pay attention. GPT-5 writes better structured code from what I've seen. It rarely misses semicolon or misuse scopes. It understands your project faster, especially if you add conversations with it before. Yeah, for instance, when I was working on my scripts, I noticed something in its response, and I saw that it added peace at the end of my video. I added peace last month for my last YouTube video, and I saw that I added peace. So that means it really remembers what we worked on in the previous chats. Yeah, so for most people, you might not know what you are using currently now is ChatGPT-5. The previous versions have been removed totally. So all you have access to is just GPT-5. So you might not know, but when you check, you see that all the versions of GPT has been removed to only retain GPT-5. Another thing is that I noticed that it can switch between frameworks more confidently. It is also more precise when converting logic to code. And most importantly, it does not get stuck halfway like GPT-4 sometimes does. But overall, it's faster, to be sincere. It's faster than the previous models. And for regular users, GPT-5 remembers details about you, about the previous conversations, and it chats actually more naturally. This is seen in its voice mode conversation. There's a blend of naturality in its conversations. There's less of that AI from, so it can handle longer conversations without forgetting what you said 2 minutes ago. So it comes with something they call study and learn, and this is no gimmick at all. It literally studies the way you code, the way you write, and ask questions. So if you use it often, like I do, it starts making suggestions. I feel like it's reading your mind. Even better, it remembers your style across sessions. And I notice it adapts to my tone, sometimes serious and sometimes playful. The speed boost is real, and in my test, GPT-5 responds 2 times faster than GPT-4o. And it's not just about response time. Transitions between thoughts are smoother. It's like talking to someone who actually understands you. That annoying pause where it thinks too long is gone, because you can actually switch to the thinking mode if you want to get a more quality response, and you can also switch back to the natural mode. So is ChatGPT-5 insane? Well, yes and no. This is my honest truth. Every version from 3.5 to 4, from 4 to 4.0 adds slight upgrades, and the notable upgrade can be seen from the first version to this 5th version. It is faster, it is cleaner, and it is more agentic, but it's not like jumping from a bicycle to a Tesla. We expect updates over time, but the hype around it is insane. It's more like upgrading your MacBook's OS. But of course, it is still better if you're a developer or content creator or someone who uses ChatGPT every day. GPT-5 is worth it, especially for pro users. But don't expect a miracle. Expect a refined version of what you already have. So did it blow your mind, or was it just me? Let me know in the comment section. Peace.